What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
This is Rob and Payton filming our first YouTube video.
This is an open for
You don't have to copy me. What are you doing? You watching YouTube Shorts? Oh, you don't want to have too much music in there, they'll shut it off, huh? This is just kind of a tour of our house. We have a couch and a coffee table and a video game rug and video game posters, plants, TV and plants. And then we have an arcade in our kitchen and a microwave. And then if you come downstairs, computer. Kind of a mess right now. If you get in there, you can see it all. And then over here, we have all the old video game stuff from when I was a kid. And lots of old video games from all the way back from ColecoVision and Atari all the way up to PS5. And then there's all the old game consoles. Lots of toys on the wall. Lots of toys so we can look really cool. Lots of Marvel toys. And that's an empty bedroom. And there's Payton, also known as Payton, as she has put her name in on Disney Plus.
And I'm watching my tablet.
I know. What else are you gonna do today?
Do my homework.
Your homework? Our homework is to go outside and throw a ball into a clothes hamper. That's what we're supposed to do. So we should go do that. Okay, let's go do that.